Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I am a messy crafter, but this We Are Memory silicone workstation mat is really so helpful. It's so great that I can use it to protect my work surface, and I love that it rolls right up so I can store it easily in my desk. It has really great features to keep things tidy and to help me stay organized while I'm painting. It keeps all of my supplies right at my fingertips to make crafting and painting more fun, so I'm not wondering where I put something down. And there's a section to hold my paintbrushes, to hold my water, and even a place for me to mix up my paints. There are measurements up on it up to 12 inches by 12 inches along the top and the side, so it helps me see where I want to place my creations. And the cleanup is really nice and easy. I take it right to the sink and put it right under the water and clean up that way. I love staying neat and organized with this We Are Memory silicone workstation mat, and that's my point of view.